Going on YouTube. So today I got here an iPhone 6s Plus here, along with the screen protector, a black screen protector. I'm gonna show you guys the installation, how to, and then the review of it. So alright, let's get started. So in the box it comes with a nice packaging with some instructions and other stuff. Pointless, don't really need it. Within the case there's more instructions along with wipes, a cloth, stickers, and a squeegee thing. On the screen, you're gonna peel back the tape, guys. Peel it back carefully, and once you guys place it on, make sure all the buttons are aligned, and that should be it. So let's see. Make sure you guys squeeze out all the air bubbles on all the corners. And alright, there you go, guys. That's the screen protector. These are the corners. The corners look nice and flush. I wanted the black on top of the gold, so let's see how it works. Alright, check out more videos in the description down below, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.